It's a 2020 Kia Sportage. This crossover was made to show off. Not only will you enjoy its agile handling, remarkably smooth ride, and exceptional acceleration, but the bold lines and striking features make a statement too. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: inline 4-cylinder engine, dual zone climate control, external memory control, front heated bucket seats, wireless phone connectivity, voice activation, aluminum wheels, USB port, and streaming audio. Edmunds.com finds that passengers and drivers alike benefit from well-contoured seats and adequate head and legroom. Reliability, quality, Kia. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.